So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to make some high voltage using this flyback transformer, this 2 transistor oscillator circuit, also known as the inverter circuit, which I am showing here. This flyback transformer is center tapped. So here I am using a 12 volt 7.2 amp hour UPS lead acid battery as a power source. The green wire is connected to the center tap and goes to the positive of the battery, and the yellow one is connected to the ground of the oscillator. Connecting this turns on the flyback transformer. Now let's turn this thing on and see the high voltage arcs created by the flyback transformer. Let us take a closer look towards the transistor oscillator. Here we have 4 transistors. 2 of them are in parallel to share the load and increase the power. I have an yellow wire which is connected to both of the transistors emitter and to the ground of the battery. Here 1 kilo ohm resistor are used to connect base of the other transistors to the another's collector and another's collector into the another transistor's base. The purple wires are used as an output to the flyback transformer. The flyback transformer here is salvaged from an old CRT TV board. It has 4+4 winding with a center tap in between.